Can you trade options, weekly paychecks, System W for a robust living? I would say absolutely the potential is there, but you have to think of the different factors. First, you actually have to learn the system. Then you have to practice the system so you know what you're doing. That's, of course, common sense, but a lot of people, when they get involved with the markets, throw their common sense out the window. Yes, unfortunately, a lot of traders enter the markets when they're desperate for money, and that's not a good mentality to have. Or others are just goof-offs, and they just want to throw money around and not respect it. If you want to succeed in trading, you have to be serious. That said, there are multiple mindset approaches you can take in order to be successful in the markets. You just have to get in the game and figure it out.